I go through coordination 3 with my students even when I see they are ready to start learning multiple drum beats. I tell them if it's too easy, play it faster, and that's when they understand the importance of these exercises. At this stage, except for very young kids, students are already using the metronome. Reinforce how to count the hi-hat notes because they are not meant to be counted from 1 to 8, but 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Explain that the click is supposed to match the numbers counted. And everything else is pretty straightforward, so I'll just do a quick demonstration. Kick on 1 and 3. Snare on 2 and 4. And the most popular drum beat, which is also the base for all other drum beats they will learn in the following lessons. In the next video I'll show some of the first 15 basic drum beats from Pegada Drum Method.